so you got to run faster than the golf carts.
All right, I'm back for the 12th time. I keep trying to pause the video, stop the video. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our
We're at Carlisle.
Chaplain Joe, Racers Riders, Big Luke,
oh, great. The camera's
partner,
facing me.
sidekick partner, best friend, fellow hot rodder, truck enthusiast, you name it, he's everything. And he's my world. But we're here bringing you a really good treat. We are, for the 4th or 5th year, I think it's the 4th year, at the Carlisle Truck Nationals 2024 in Carlisle, Pennsylvania.
This is our second year here.
It's second year. This is a three-day event, so you still have time. It's Friday. You want something to do over the weekend, put Carlisle events in your computer, Google and search, and it'll come up, Truck Nationals. Come on up and hang out with us. RFC, Racers Riders of Christ, will be in spot B3. Come over, get some prayer, get a Bible, hang out with us, tell some stories about trucks. And last year, 2,600 show trucks they had here. I'm going to turn the camera doing, but right now we're walking, me and my son are walking on the show field here. And like I said, I think they said 2,600 show trucks showed up last year. Here's one getting unloaded now. There's quite a few back there on the trailers. Over to my left is your grandstand and your stage. They're going to have a truck show there. They're going to have motocross there. They're going to have a burnout contest Saturday night at 9 o'clock. They're going to have the Frame Draggers, which is a lowrider parade show. Going to be going through here. If you love trucks, if you have a truck, you're looking for trucks to fix a truck, you have a project truck, you want to buy parts for trucks, you want to get in your car, and you want to head to Carlisle, Pennsylvania. There's no doubt about it. Also, Team RFC is looking for volunteers to follow the National Hot Rod Association around. Check out the shop rags. We just had these made. Pretty cool. What we do is we follow the National Hot Rod Association around the country. A lot of your professional... Luke, move to the left. Car. A lot of your professional racers in the National Hot Rod Association get to the track. They stay at the track, and we bring the church to the track for them. So we're looking for volunteers. 2,000 events and only 300 or 400 chaplains. So definitely come see me, B3, spot B3. And I'm going to be quiet now for a little bit. And we're going to check out some of the big rigs first. That's right, they have big rigs. A whole lot of, I think they call it, what, Pride and Polish? Pride and Polish, it's called, with that part of the show, Pride and Polish. And they're not all here yet. They're just starting to arrive now, so.
Yeah, it's only like 9 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, it's only 9 o'clock in the morning. It's a 5:30 early day for us. We got to get set up and stuff, but we're kind of getting
3 hours of sleep.
3 hours of sleep, and I hope you enjoy it. We're only doing it because we're doing this because of Team RFC, but also for you folks out there. So let's check out some of these amazing big rigs. They also have a van section, custom vans, 70s vans, custom art.
Okay, you had to choose a semi truck out of these 3 K-Whoppers. The black.
No brainer, the one on the end.
The black lower.
Which one are you taking? You taking that big boy?
Ooh.
Now that's a truck. What I drive, that's not a truck. That international that I'm in,
Look.
dude, that's absolutely positively beautiful.
Axle.
Yeah, tri-axle, yep. Actually a 7-axle. You know what this is for? Heavy equipment. He's a heavy equipment hauler, and this is an oversized guy. See this? He can extend his trailer by a lot. And looks like it's all the same company. All the same colors, all the same company. They get the jobs that nobody wants to do. Yeah, see? Low boy drop side beam trailer.
Out
Yeah.
of the 2 Peterbilt.
I think I would take the one on the end, the old school.
Yeah, the lights are cool.
Yeah, look, they even got their name in the grill. Hunter Contracting. There it is. If anybody needs any heavy hauling, hook these guys up. They've definitely got the equipment for the job.
Alright, never mind. I'm going to take the one right there.
Oh, old school. Now they're going to put,
Bandit.
they're going to put that in Pride and Polish.
That's the Smoking the Bandit truck.
That's the truck that's sitting up in Countersport.
Yep.
Sitting in the woods. We know where one of these is at, up in the woods, up in
W900A.
beautiful truck. We got some show trucks here along the fence. Oh wow, tanker trucks over there. Now, hold on, Luke. If you see out that tree line out in the distance there, along that tree line is the Pennsylvania Turnpike. That's about 2 acres that way, between where I'm standing, which is the one end of the show field, to the other. It's about an acre across. Okay, I'll be honest, it's probably about an acre across. Trucks on this side, pickup trucks. Then there's multiple inside buildings with vendors, and one of the buildings will actually hold the Vanorama. They call it the Vanorama, where they bring all the custom vans in with the 70 paint jobs and the murals. And so I've done a lot of talking, I think. So I think I'm gonna let my son take it. Take it, son.
Hey, Dad, you gotta drive one of these trucks. They're all Fords, though. Which one?
None. I'll walk. You heard me. Out of all these Fords, I'll walk, because I'm a Chevy man. How about you, son? You brought up the question. You got to answer it now.
If I had to choose, it would be that white one. My dad's taking it again.
I thought you hated Fords, you traitor.
I would buy a Ford. There's some Fords I like. Yeah, don't this. I like Chevy, though.
Oh, the man just shattered my heart. He's not my son. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. You know I'm kidding, right, son? Please tell me you're kidding. You know. Okay. Yeah, here's our website.
All right, should we go down this aisle? Right.
Well, it's kind of empty, so I think we should get where some action's at.
Look at that.
Dude, I need 2 of those.
I'd be riding around all day.
That's sweet. And that's why he's smiling, because he's not killing himself. He's taking the time, relaxing, chilling. I don't think she has a license to drive this thing there. I don't think she has a license to be driving that now. I've seen you get out of the cab there. I don't know. We might have to call the DOT on you, Missy. That's it. Me being silly, starting trouble. Look, there's a picture of your best friend.
No, that's you. I think it's a picture of you, Dad.
Oh, you're so funny. You're just so funny. My son. Oh, there's a picture of you. There you go. There's my son.
No, that's you and Mom.
75.
That's Mom.
It's blue. So I'm going in and out there.
Okay. Dad, between that K-Whopper,
Oh, that K. Cab over all the
that
way.
K-Whopper or that K-Whopper?
Cab over all the way.
That?
Oh, I don't know now. Look at the camper on that thing, man. That is a sharp. Oh, wow. He completely restored that. Wow. That's cool, man. Beautiful truck, dude. It's a day cab with a small slip, but look at that. Specially designed camper and everything. That's awesome. He just drives that around because that's his fun. That's so cool.
Okay, I have another question.
That's a beauty.
This K-Whopper, that Freightliner, that Mac, or that Mega Sleeper?
Mega Sleeper. Mega Sleeper,
It's
bro.
bigger than our hotel room.
That's all right.
That's
all right.
That's all.
That's gorgeous, man. That's like BJ. Oh, look, trucker shirts. There it is, right there. Kenworth.
Go to the next aisle, please.
Wow.
You want to go to the next? No.
Well, I guess I can still.
And trying to get R&L to let me bring a truck up here, park a Peterbilt. Well, they could do the Salute to Heroes show up here. Trucks for sale. There's not much down here. You want to do this? Cut up the middle, do a zig, stop at the end of the stage. Look, watch. It might be better. This way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way to the top.
That's what I was saying.
We'll use the stage as a middle to stop. Then we'll do that section tomorrow. So this half of the field today, starting here, right? This was where the amazing breakfast sandwiches were, down here. And there's multiple buildings down here as well. Have you ever covered this whole thing? Turbos for the GMC.
That's for Cummins.
Want a free drink holder? Take a free drink holder.
I'm good, I don't need it.
The
Cameras
Big Block Boulevard. Big Block Boulevard, Double R Foods. The guy in the middle looks like you.
Actually looks like you.
Really?
He's got the beard. He's got the glasses.
Really? All right, so how are we doing this now? Because these aisles are going in the wrong direction now.
We're just gonna follow me, okay?
Okay. I'm down. Lead the way, sir. Pine Oaks Trucking.
That Mac, that truck, or that truck. That.
Nah. Take the Petey.
Oh, you don't want the house on the
Nah, that'd be too hard to drive that damn thing. There's the vehicle display in Building T. Here's the Vanarama. Want to do the Vanoramas?
Sure.
Everybody loves Vanorama. I wonder if this would work in my pocket. Oh, it's not big enough. Is my camera covered? Think my camera's covered? Actually, no. Oh, there's Casper. He was here last year.
Got an Xbox, a Switch, a PS4.
Oh, wow. That's cool, dude. It's got a gaming center inside the van. That's cool. Got a big AC in there. That's awesome. Dude, look in the back. That's wild, bro. Look at the payphone. 5-cent bubblegum machine.
That's what's so cool about these old vans.
Oh yeah, you can do so much.
Pays ride park, and I have a small one.
It's got a fireplace in it. No
Window
way.
is perfect.
That's cool.
I should take it out.
That's awesome. Very cool. You build all this yourself?
Yep.
Wow. How long did it take?
That's what it started like. Time-wise, I never kept any time on it. But it's the first cut I did off of the log of the sawmill. Debarked everything because I had these long knife and some wooden tools and shaped it. And, yeah.
That's amazing. So how long did it take to build it?
Many years.
Many years?
Yeah, I mean,
Tweaks it all the time.
Yeah.
It was off and on. I did mainly the back I started with first, and then I did this, and I did sections at a time. The last was the front because with all the computer junk.
Yeah.
I didn't want to get into doing something stupid.
Yeah.
I got to a certain point. I said, you know what? It's old enough now. I can do it.
Yeah. It's your first time at Carlisle, or you've been here?
we've
Yeah,
been here,
yeah.
yeah.
I didn't see you last year. Wow.
We're right at the same.
Oh, yeah?
I was there. Yeah, the same spot, yeah.
That's cool. Nice work. Beautiful truck. Hopefully you get best in show. That'd be nice.
We got best interior last year.
Oh yeah, well, no doubt about that.
Fan favorite.
And fan favorite. Yeah, I mean it's cool. And you can, there's no denying it.
What's really great is when the little kids come up
Yeah.
to the side door, they're watch. It's right behind you. The chin drops and the eyes pop out. It's like, Dad, look at this. It's a fireplace.
Yeah, it's cool.
And that means so much.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. That's worth every minute. No
Yeah.
doubt about it. I like how he's got the crosses in the windows too. That's cool. Very cool. Sneak your faith in there. That's perfect. Love
I
it.
think you have to get the gun out there, right? Jumping
Yeah.
down left and right. That's what that all means.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
That's the good old US of A right there. That's what it's all about, my man. No doubt about it.
Thank you.
Well, good luck, my man.
Thank you.
That's cool, dude. Did you hear what he said?
What?
It started with a tree that fell down in his yard. He carved the tree and said, I'm just going to glue it inside my van. You can watch. I got the whole thing on tape. Who's this guy?
You had to choose one van out of all.
Probably the good.
I want the video game.
Dude, look at the motor. This is the Love Shack. National Trucking. How you doing, brother?
Good, man. How are you?
Living the dream, my man.
Here he is.
Borderline spaceship right here. Yeah. You don't mind if I make a video, do you? Awesome. You build all
Go
this?
out to your hotel and start showing your van.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guy brings drives his bedroom here and then goes to a motel. What the fuck,
That's awesome. I mean, that beats the days in any day. I don't know what he's thinking there. Watch your head.
Drink a little drink, smoke a little smoke.
Wow. He's got. Is that a 6-cylinder? Nice. Very cool. What year is he? It's an Ocado line, right?
60 over.
60. Wow. Very cool.
That RV came in it.
Yeah, this is definitely old school right here.
That's what I want to keep a little
Yeah.
modern, but
Yeah, no, this is perfect. Beats the crap they make today.
yeah.
Can't find them like that no more. That's cool. Yo. I'm following you. You told me to follow you.
He said he has an RV cam in his motor, right?
Ah, yeah.
So we have an RV engine. Does that mean we have an RV cam in our?
Probably. Probably. You're definitely torque different.
That's cool.
You like Casper?
Yeah, it's got like that.
I love the
modern-day
seats.
vibe to it.
Can't we get the seats like that in their truck?
You can play video games. That's all I care. It has a TV,
Yeah, that's cool.
a gaming monitor.
I got no doubt. I'm with you on that one. That's what we got to put on the
I
Chevy.
would love if Mom had this. I'd have my computer in there.
Van Zana. You'd be sleeping the whole time. You would love to go to Jacksonville in that, wouldn't you?
I would have my computer in there.
Now where we going? If you look out there on the top of the hill, see I'm pointing up there? All the way out to the turnpike is show trucks. This is just a building, the pavilion for the vans. This is just, they call this Vanorama. They do it every year. If you love custom vans, check this.
Five
Is
vanners, 4 vanners. That
what? Vanorama.
5 vanners, 4 vanners.
Buy vanners, 4 vanners. I could probably get into a van.
You know, you hear that Dodge Tradesman?
Yeah.
Look at that one.
That's a Dodge.
Yeah, that's the one you had.
They're junk. Those motors are horrible in there. He probably pulled that motor. Pretty interesting to say. Look at this, the Alpine Mountain.
Yeah, I think I found one of my favorites.
It's a drag. Look, it's a drag truck. Where's your favorite at?
You know why?
Why?
I
Whoa!
think it's that one. You know why?
Why?
There's an air conditioner in the driver's side window.
That is slick.
You ain't ever gonna be hot in that thing.
Alice in Wonderland. Oh wow! Look, it's got the books. Wow. Oh, dude, it's ice cold in here. He's got the AC running. No way. That's the magic door you go through, you don't come out of. Dude,
Oh,
this
this
is
is so
crazy. Even the vine, look, it's got the watch. It's based on the whole entire movie.
And you could do this.
We're
too.
mad and, oh God, yeah. You could do it. If you can dream it, you can make it happen. Alice in Wonderland. And that's a newer van too.
Look at that paintwork on that.
That's beautiful, yeah.
If you still had yours, would you do something like this too?
I could. I never actually wanted to, but you could.
Oh,
Sure.
don't worry, if you still had it, I would have convinced you.
Yeah. You could, dude, these vans are all over the place. You can find one. You just got to put a lot of work into them. You stick with the Cutby first. See how you do with that one. You do that one good. Van stickers. East Coast Van Nationals. Look, East Coast Van Nationals, October 2nd and 3rd. Stony Creek, Virginia. If you're into vans, I might be able to go check that out in Virginia. This guy was here last year.
Did you like, when you had your van, did you like it?
I did, and I'll tell you why. My father, after he got surgery, put all the wood in. He insulated the whole back of it. He put the insulation in. He did all the woodwork by hand. He put trim in it. Oh, it was nice in there, dude. It didn't look anything like these, but it was warm in there. You could sleep in there. You could stay there. It was cool. The big truck horns.
So you'd rather have it over the Hyundai?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Probably.
Something like
But
that?
but the motors were junk.
Well, that's
Did-
why there's your 12 valve Cummins.
That guy Dave Ryan's brother bought it, and I think he put 2 or 3 motors in it. I'm not sure if he kept it or not, but those motors were terrible. That's why I got it so cheap. I bought it brand new for $17K. $17,000. Do they have the dyno here today?
Let's go find the exact one and buy it back and turn it into one of those.
No, not a Dodge. I would not go with a Dodge. I'll go with an old school Chevy.
You know,
Late
these-
70s, mid 70s. The 60s are rough because of the Econolines. There's not enough room. But I would definitely go with it with a 70s.
and 80s,
Yeah, like the
and
GMC.
80s.
The GMC, not a Ford. Definitely a GMC or a Chevy. Because the motors are good. They're 305s, they're 350s. They're motors you can fix. They're motors you can work
Or
with.
like a 70s Dodge.
No, they were called the tradesmen. They were big. They had the 318s in them. So maybe. There's my dreamy truck down on the bottom. 69 or 70, right? Here it is. 1970 GMC. Dude, that's gorgeous. Look at that. That's pretty clean, bro. Oh, it's got an LS in it. That's sweet. That's clean, man. Yeah, you can't get any cleaner than that, brother. You can't get any cleaner than that. All right, where are we going? Look at that. I'm going to try and post this video tonight so you guys get the information. Carlisle, Pennsylvania Truck Nationals. I wonder if we should try to go live. Think we should go live on I'm so afraid they're going to ban me,
Remember
man.
last year we went live, those people found us?
Yeah, it was awesome. Should we try it?
Up to you.
We're going to try and shut it down for now. Thank you, everybody watching. Share, save, follow. Why are we doing it? Oh, there's that Dodge.
From our hotel.
Yeah. But yeah, there'll definitely be a part 2. We're going to be here for 2 days. So share, like, follow. And we're going to try something else and see what happens.
I'm bringing my mini bike next year.
Show trucks are still coming in. Yeah, well, I'm thinking you should now with all these vehicles. But I think these guys are outlaws. These guys are 717.
Oh, Dad, that old Dodge had a little surprise in it. That's a 12 valve Cummins diesel. That should not be under that truck. Look at that.
Jeez. That's a beast, brother. All right, we're going to wrap it up. Stay tuned for episode 2. I'll be going back on here. We'll get you some more stuff to look at. Like and follow.
You don't like the old Fords?
My son's going to get his YouTube channel moving in the same direction. Remember the A-Team? Dun, 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 dun. Hey Luke, I love it when a plan comes together. We're gonna end it with that. We're gonna attempt to go TikTok live now. Let's see what happens. I always seem to run in trouble with that, but stay tuned for episode 2. Like, share, follow, subscribe if you're just getting here now. Me and my son Luke do a lot of car events. Trucks and motorcycles. Well, not motorcycles, but trucks, cars, hot rods, some motorcycles. But yeah, coming to you live. No, not live, but we are at the Carlisle Truck Nationals 2024. Like, subscribe, and share.